Alright, here's another problem. Try this one on your own. Keep in mind this one is different than the previous problem, so try this one on your own and see how well you do. Alright, so now if we look at this problem, hopefully you are complete with it. It opens up, and my computer's running slow. The y-intercept is at 0, 1. The vertex would be at 1/3, 2/3, and the axisymmetry would be at x equals 1/3. Now the x-intercepts will both be imaginary. So what that means is that it doesn't actually cross the x-intercepts, so there's no x-intercepts. To write this in intercept form, we would do 3 times x minus 1/3 plus I root 2 over 3, and x minus 1/3 minus I root 2 over 3. And the sign chart, everything would be positive. So at our graph, we have our vertex, we have our y-intercept, and from that, we can draw our graph. Now in a word problem, we have David has 400 yards of fencing available and wishes to enclose a rectangular area. Express the area of a rectangle as a function of x, where x is the width. So let's start with our rectangle. So let's call this the length, this the width. It's kind of a weird W. That's the width. Alright, so now if I want to find the area is length times width. And if I want to find x is the width of this, so let's change this to x. Let's find an equation for L. Well, x plus L plus L, all of this has to add up to 400. So x plus L plus L has to equal 400 because that's the perimeter. So 2x plus 2L is equal to 400. So L will be, I can subtract 2x from both sides, so 2L is 400 minus 2x. So L, we can divide by 2, 200 minus x. So let's just call these 200 minus x and 200 minus x. So if we add up all of these sides, then it will equal 400. So we want to find where the area will be the largest. So if I wanted to find the equation for this, the area, which a lot of times would be a of x, that would be x times 200 minus x. Or we could say this is 200x minus x squared. So if we want to find where the area is going to be the largest, what we do is, if we drew this out like so, this would be going down. So it'll be a parabola that looks like this, where the area is the largest. If this is the a of x, that's going to be at the vertex. So we want to find the x value. So if a of x is equal to negative x squared plus 200x, if we want to find the vertex, that's at x equals negative b over 2a. So negative 200 over 2 times negative 1. So that's negative 200 over negative 2, which will be 100. So if this is 100, the value over here is going to be 200 minus 100, so which is 100. So it would be 100 times 100, which my area, I could even say area at 100 is going to be 100 squared, which is 1 before 0, so that would be 10,000. We got some units on this? 10,000 square yards. Oh, I made a little mistake. I actually did two problems at once here. The x value where it's the largest is 100. If I want to find the maximum area, that would be 10,000 square yards. So this is the answer to part B. Right here is the answer to part C. All right, well, hopefully that's enough to get you through the homework. Good luck.